God loves me. And you cannot tell me any otherwise. And that's what happens. When you are God's child, even when you fall, you don't fall on the ground, Justice. You fall on his hands. When I fell on top of God's hands. That's why I went up. That's why I went up so quickly, because I fell on top of his hands. My life is like I'm wearing white clothes. So when I fall, God makes sure that I don't fall on the ground so that I don't get dirty.
On this page you be do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rats, theater, vlog the morning. Shut the sides up. Shut the sides up. Shut the sides up. Shut the sides up. This page we do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rants, theater, vlog the morning.
Hey guys, hello blessed fams, how are you guys doing? Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, you guys, I will pick up this camera since on the 12th of this month. Welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Blessing. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Edo State, Benin City. Please do it to click on that icon that says subscribe, okay? You will love it here. All right, you will love it here. Thank you so much. For my returnees, I really do appreciate you guys. Before I start this vlog, I want to really say a very big thank you to all of you, like every one of you. Thank you guys so much. Like my recent vlogs, I've just been doing great. Yeah, I know you, and some of you be like, how many views? You guys, it's been doing great, and I really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. So you guys, I woke up not quite long, and I've been on call with my twin sister. We've just been conversing. So they are coming over to my side, my twin sister and my other sister, and I want to go to the market to go get some things. But before I do that, you guys know that for my twin sister, last week was her birthday, and yeah, I want to use this opportunity to also tell every one of you thank you for your birthday wishes. Yeah, I know some of you watches me also from my social media platform like my Facebook and my WhatsApp. So I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. I know even though I wasn't fine, like I don't know, this year's birthday I just didn't feel I didn't feel good. I don't know, I just can't explain, but I didn't just feel better, like I didn't feel good, but it's still fine. Everywhere so hot, you guys. It's still morning, and it's sunny already, like after 8 or so. Yeah, so I didn't actually get a lot of gifts. I didn't get gifts, you guys. It's not like I didn't get gifts. Like, I mean, I didn't get physical gifts. I got a lot. Like, I got money gifts, you guys, cash gifts. I really want to appreciate all of you. Like, this, it was a whole lot. Like, the cash gift was just coming. I got a birthday cake that was unexpected. I didn't expect that birthday cake at all, but it came in. I got a birthday cake from a friend of mine. Thank you so much. It got me water. Thank you so much. Like, he got me 4 crates of water, and he got me a cake, he got me a wine. Let me show you guys the wine. Here's the wine my friend got me. He got me this wine. He also gave me cash. He gave my sister a cash as well. Like, it was a whole lot. Thank you so much. And also, you guys, my twin sister, she thought it wise to gift me on this birthday, and it was really thoughtful. Yeah, I know I've always been the one gifting her things that haven't been around. So this is what my twin sister gave me, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says happy birthday my twinnie. So this is my twin and I don't know if you guys can see. And she also gifts me a perfume. This is the perfume. I've already started using it, you guys. So this is the perfume. Like, it smells so heavily. It smells really good. So backstory, why she gave me this frame. Me and my twin sister, like you guys know, I don't live here now, so she has a lot of frame of hers personally. So me, I don't have personal frame, and she thought it twice to gift me a frame, which I'm really grateful for. To everybody, all my friends, my boobs, my lovers, oh my goodness, that gifted me, I'm really grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. So these are all the physical gifts I got. I didn't really get any, you know, physical gifts apart from these ones that I've mentioned. Yes, you guys, so like I said, I just woke up. I want to quickly, you know, arrange my bed. But I said I need to do this video now, because if I don't, I might forget, and I don't just want to forget it. Yeah, so I want to quickly fix my bed and sweep my room. I want to sweep the whole house and run to market to go get some things. I don't need so much to buy. I just want to get tomatoes, fish, because I want to make my signature jollof rice. If you're an OG on my channel, by now you know my signature jollof rice that I normally cook in Dubai. So that's what I want to cook for my sister, because she's special. Okay.
On this page you can do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rats, theater, vlog the morning. Chante los salsa, oh 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 oh. Chante los salsa, oh 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 oh. Chante los salsa, oh 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 oh. Chante los salsa, oh 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 oh. This page we do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rants, theater, vlog the morning. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Oh 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 oh. This page we do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rants, theater, vlogs the morning.
So you guys, I've finished sweeping and dressing my bed, just as you guys can see. And you guys, let me show you guys something. I don't know if you guys can see that stuff on the floor. That's the trash, like the dirty that I swept from this room. My sister and her girls came visiting, so the girls helped me to sweep the house. Since they swept my house till now, I haven't set my eyes on my packer. If they are coming to come and look for the packer, because I don't have any other packer, that's the only packer I have. Alright, so I finished sweeping and I mopped. So like I told you guys before, I couldn't leave the room like this, so I just looked for an alternative to pack the trash, and I just cleaned the room. So right now I'm about leaving, and I want to transfer the things in this bag, which is some of the money I have here, and put it inside this bag. So everything here, I'm transferring.
It's your things. Tactics, the fashion, your bag, on top,
because I'm not buying
cake. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. Chante los as. Oh 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 oh, chante los as. We do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rants, theater, vlogs the morning. Oh 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 oh. We chante los as. Oh oh, chante los as. On this page you can do beauty pranks, fashion, girl talk, mobile rants, theater.
Yo guys, how are you guys doing? I'm back from the market. You guys, this is the tomatoes I got. Yes, and what else? You guys, to buy beef is not so expensive like how it. I got this Titus fish. I got 2 of it.
On this page, beauty press, fashion, girl talk, we bang rats, jam dog, lock them out. Beauty breaks, fashion, girl talk, we're back. Jam drum, party.
Please go ahead, Sam. You guys, look at this hungry bitch. So now I can't come my house. Not that for. See this one, see. Eh? All these ones go come greet you. Food go finish for us. Look at my twin sister. I want to say hi. Hi. Now I can carry this one. Look at my other sister, Beauty. Hi. Sit there.
This place, we do beauty breaks, fashion, girl talk, we bang, rants, gel drop, vlogs and more day. The dirt things, the jar dicks, the fashion, no bang, on top, the day. Chantelos us, chantelos us, chantelos us, chantelos us, we do beauty breaks, fashion, girl talk, mo bang, rants, gel drop, vlogs and more day. We chantelos us, chantelos us, on this page you can do beauty breaks, fashion, girl talk, mo bang, rants, gel drop, vlogs and more day. We do beauty breaks, fashion, girl talk, mo bang, rants, gel drop, vlogs and more day. Chantelos us, chantelos us, chantelos us, chantelos us, chantelos us,